All right, we are at some high-rise on Fullerton in Chicago. We got some modded Westinghouse elevators by the looks of it. Yep, Westinghouse, formerly, up to 15. Shaky.
15th floor, going down.
That's what the residential floors look like. Camera. Oh look, you can see what the cabs look like behind. Just your basic snap cabs by the looks of it. Also, let me fix that. Only one car, this is the only car running, so. £2,000. Here's your fixtures, stopping at 6. That's where the old indicator used to be. You can see
6th
that.
floor, going down. First floor.
The Christmas decorations up. It's almost a month later.